People need nature. Some call me nature, while others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for 1.5 billion years, 22,100 times larger than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. Wow. When I throw, you throw. When I fault, you falter. And even worse, my ocean, my soil, my flowing stream, my forest, that all can take you. Either you regard or disregard, no matter to me. One way or another, your action will determine your fate. Not mine. I am nature. I prefer to evolve. Are you? People need nature. We need nature. I prefer to evolve. Are you?